need to come here.
Make sure.
This is Ghana. This is the Eastern region. Back again, Chaley. Guys, I'm in the Eastern region, one of my favorite regions. And guys, I'm about to see one beautiful waterfall I've not had a chance to see, and I'm not alone, guys. You asked for her, and she's here, Miss Drew. Guys, you know what I like about her? She does something similar to what I do. Her energy matches my energy.
Come on.
And guys, we're about to see this waterfall. Are you ready?
The most beautiful in Ghana, apparently. So we're going to see.
Miss Drew also has a YouTube channel.
Yes, I do. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment, Miss Drew TV. Hey, it's an honor to be on Stella Shanelly's channel. Oh my God.
Guys, you want to enjoy more of this? Let's go right into the video.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
Asenema Waterfall is one of the hidden gems in the Eastern region. It's located about 1 hour 30 minutes drive from Accra. The drive to get here has wonderful and beautiful views across the hills, which is common in the Eastern region. After parking, it takes about 10 minutes walk to the waterfall. Guys, look at this. This means we are so close to the waterfall. Miss Drew, how excited are you? How many waterfalls have you done in Ghana?
So I have done 9 waterfalls, and there are 22 waterfalls in Ghana. So we're ticking them off slowly. I'm trying to finish all of them, guys.
I think this will be my sixth waterfall. Yeah.
See, we're nearly there, guys. This is why we about this life, okay? We about this life. Stella and Drew. You'll see more travel videos. Now I have a partner.
I know, right?
Thank you.
Guys, you asked for it. Those of you who were in my comment section are like,
and mine
they have
too.
to see Drew. They have to see Drew finally.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Are you excited?
I mean, water just makes me happy.
So guys, this is how the waterfalls look like. To enter into the waterfall.
Yes.
And bikini check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh my bottoms, I left them in the car. I left them at home. But you know my car is empty.
So let's go. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Woo. Woo.
How does it feel?
It's so cold.
Woo, cold.
Woo. Woo. It's so cold. I think we need to ask him if it's very deep.
Wait, hold on. I'm coming.
very close to the waterfall,
my
so you have to be like very careful.
And
Is
they're
this your
very
first time swimming in the waterfall?
So I've been to waterfalls and I've been under them, but I've never been under a waterfall like I did today. I mean, I just washed my hair and it was very good, but let's say that this water is good for my hair. Natural
water. And then the fact that the water keeps hitting your back, like it's some form of massaging you.
Like, honestly, it's a whole
terrific
experience.
Yeah.
Hey, I think you guys should come.
You need to come here.
Make sure.
This is Ghana.
Come on.
This is Accra. No,
Yes,
this is Accra.
this is
the Eastern region. Then maize. So he's roasting maize. Pabakuna me here. Is it ready?
No, this one's ready.
Ashio, Anna.
Ashio.
Oh, so it's not done?
No.
Let me see how it looks if it's gonna. Oh, yummy. This one we have to wait for it. Okay. The maize is ready. So guys, this brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed your time with us.
Yes, we had a great time. I had a great time anyway.
Yeah, this was so fun. It was so fun to film, and it was nice meeting you, Drew, for the first time.
Listen, but it's the first time, but it's not the last.
Yes. And this is not going to be the last. Yeah,
no,
definitely.
No. We've got lots more to do. I have a travel buddy.
So what do you think about this waterfall?
No, I actually just love it, you know. I think it's very peaceful, the area.
Very serene.
Very, very peaceful, very serene. I love the greenery. The greenery is I mean, I'm telling you guys, something about nature. It just makes me so happy. Are you cold? I'm cold. You're cold? Right now, you see, she should come to London.
I'm just coming from Nairobi, and Nairobi is so cold, and then my subscribers were like, this is not cold. Yeah, you see like negative what. I'm like,
she hasn't been anywhere yet. But no, honestly, I think it was beautiful. It wasn't expensive, but we didn't really pay.
Yeah, we didn't pay. We just had to give the guy something small because he was like taking care of our stuff. And so I'm sure even if you come here and you need to pay, it should be like 10 cedis, 5 cedis, but it shouldn't be more than that.
No, not at all.
Yes.
But also, I mean, I think when you also come here, you can come and spend the day. There is
picnic.
You have a picnic, a little private party. Weekdays, it seems like weekdays are more quieter than the actual weekends.
Yeah.
So come along, and when you do come, remember that we brought you there.
Do want to also subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Tell her TV.
Tell her Stella Shanelly.
Yes, I want to see Stella.
Join her family because her energy is on another level, guys.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, she has traveled the whole of Ghana just as I am, and
the videos will be up soon. I just need to help edit. I mean, I think nearly everybody knows that Drew is taking long with editing, but they will come. Don't worry, they will come.
Until next time on my YouTube channel. Mwah, mwah. I brought Drew to my favorite fufu joints in Ibri. This is how it looks like. The fufu was 5 cedis with meat and goat. And then
I got this thing with a crown.
I've been here before. This is my second time here. And this place is called Asete. Say Asete.
Asete.
Exactly.
I learned that it means the table has been set.
Yes.
The table has been set.
The food is ready.
The food is ready.
So you guys are invited. Oh, the meat is so hot. I'm going to be trying the meat first.